Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today I'm going to share a very quick and easy recipe of chicken soup. This is an Indian style soup and you can serve this with roti, naan, bread or even rice. It's very easy to make and it's very healthy and super delicious. So let's check out what ingredients we'll be needing to make this healthy and delicious Indian style chicken soup. 500 grams chicken cut into medium sized pieces, 4 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 medium sized onion finely chopped, few cardamom pods, few black peppercorns and few cloves, and some salt to taste. To make our soup, I've heated a kadhai. Now add the oil into this. Now add all the whole spices. Now add the onion. Saute the onions for 5 to 6 minutes. This is the easiest and the tastiest soup recipe you'll come across. Our onion has turned nice and translucent. Adding the ginger and garlic paste, coriander powder, turmeric powder, pepper powder, salt, and give it a mix. Add some water. Now fry this masala for 2 to 3 minutes. Add a little bit of more water. You can also make this in a pressure cooker. Alright, now at this stage we'll add in our chicken. So add in the chicken pieces. Mix it nicely. And now saute this for 5 to 6 minutes on high flame. After 5 minutes, we'll add water. Add water till the chicken pieces are covered. Alright, so allow this to boil. So cover this and let it cook till our chicken is all done. So it's been around 30 minutes and I'm going to check. So as you can see, the oil has come up and our soup is all done. So I'm going to switch off the flame and serve this. Our soup is all done and this looks really delicious. I hope you like the recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and please do subscribe to my channel. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.